Hello and welcome to our channel. We are back again with another video, and today we will feature creations by JJJ. But first, if you haven't subscribed in our channel yet, please click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time that we upload a new video just like this one. Now, going back, they have sent us 2 boxes of their products, and first we have here their chocolate chip cookies. As you can see, they use this cute pink box as their packaging, and let me just say that their packaging is actually perfect as a gift to surprise a loved one. Second product is their Snickers cookie cups. Snickers stuffed on cookies sounds too good to be true, but hey, they made it possible for you. I am really excited to have a closer look of their cookies, so now let's go ahead and unbox it. Right when you open the box, you can smell right away that nice aroma of a yummy cookie. The caramel and peanut flavor coming from Snickers complements really well in their cookie cups. The cookie itself is so soft and chewy, and for me, it is best served when it's warm, but also enjoy it even chilled and of course with a warm milk. Now for their chocolate chip cookies, I love that it's not too sweet, and just like the cookie cups, it was so soft and chewy. It has the right amount of chocolate chip that is evenly distributed on the cookie, and I must say that it really has a nice texture. So now allow me to share with you their whole menu, because aside from their cookies, they also offer cheesecake in 6x2 inches can and cheesecake minis. Should you have any inquiries, you may check their social media accounts. They are both on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for Creations by JJJ. this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any food suggestion that you want us to feature next time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw, amping mo tanan, and support local.